welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Been all over the place. We have officially left the month of June. Today is July 2nd, I believe. No, July 3rd. What am I talking about? I just pulled up to work and I figured I would just turn on the camera and have you guys spend the day with me. Now, I do have a little play date scheduled with our nephew. Yeah, we are gonna hang out with Shane today, but that's gonna be later on in the day. I do have work today from 8 to 4. For those who don't know, I'm a part-time content creator, which means that I make content part-time, and then the other part-time I do have 9 to 5, if you will. When COVID hit in 2020, and COVID hit I want to say 2 months after Melissa and I got married, and shortly after that she went off to the Navy. So for the entire year of 2020 I stopped working because everyone stopped working. But when the country started to slowly get back into, you know, regular life, I did not go back to work. Melissa told me to just, for the time that she was away, to just stay home and work on myself, basically. During that time, your girl was very health conscious, I was working out and eating healthy every day. I literally used that time to really figure out what I was doing, what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted content creation to be my main source of income. However, I didn't know where and how I wanted to do that. We had touch and go on the YouTube channel again for the second time. I feel like it wasn't my time, but we are here now. So in 2021, I was still at home. I got my real estate license. I thought I was going to be the baddest real estate agent in New York. No, I would probably be a very successful real estate agent. However, the broker that I was with, there was some miscommunication there, and it wasn't a really good fit. So one thing about your girl, when things get tough, when things don't work out the way how we plan it or we want it, I'm a pivot every time. I'm going to, my agility level is top tier. Like, if it's not working out here, all right, let's maybe that's just the true nature of a Gemini. I work at a site, I wear all black, and I sit at a desk. I don't have to deal with anybody on a daily basis, and that's what I like with my job. I only work 2 to 3 days a week, hence part-time. I don't work with anybody. The only thing that I have to do if I come in contact with someone is just to have them sign in and receive packages if packages come in. Like, that is it. So for the most part, when I'm at work, for those 2 to 3 days, I'm either editing YouTube videos, TikTok videos, making content, just using the time to do things that I want to do, because it really doesn't require much of me to do this job. And that's the reason why it's so perfect. That's the reason why I'm not gonna leave this job until content creation is paying all my bills and more. I'm not gonna let go, because why would I do nothing here. With that being said, I do have my work bag with me. Brought this big bag today because it fits my laptop, my iPad, all my chargers, and like my kind of like cords and all the bits. Extra battery chargers, memory cards, all that jazz. I keep them in this case. We're trying to be an organized girly over here. Anyways, let me stop rambling and get into this place so I can sit down. I have 2 videos to edit today. I have my Guatemala vlog video. First of all, how are you guys liking the new style of our travel content? How you guys feel about the new direction of our travel content? I really want it to be helpful and informative, and not just more look at me type videos. I want it to actually give you guys value. Actually need to redo the thumbnail. I made my thumbnail. First of all, for anybody who wonders how I make my thumbnail, girl, I make it on Canva, and I don't have the pro. I have the Canva, the free Canva version. So I still have about 40 minutes. I can do some work within that time. So I didn't mention another birthday gift. So this is Melissa's gift to me for my 31st birthday. She got me a MacBook Pro and I love it. You have no idea how just easier my life has gotten since getting this laptop. She also got me this matte tan colored brownish skin to put on top, which I love. For last year for my 30th birthday, she got me this iPad, and this is what I was using to edit my TikTok videos. This is what I used to edit when I started posted on YouTube again. This is what I used to use to edit my YouTube videos. You have no idea how hard it is to put footage on this, to edit it, to then compress it, to then post it. It took so long, especially at the quality level that I wanted my videos to be at. But guess what? You went through that and you guys are here to see the rise and the growth from an iPad to now a MacBook Pro. Just as how you were here to witness my evolution, filming on my iPhone to now filming on a camera, and I'm blessed. So while I stuff my face with this yogurt, I'm gonna catch up on some of my girlies. Right now, I'm into Jesus Lou. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let me show you her page. I love her. I love her. I love her Instagram. I love her YouTube videos. I love her aesthetic. I love how minimal and effortless she is. I love her. Super young white girl, but she's just living it up. I just love her lifestyle. I love how her and her fiance, they moved to Barcelona and they just started over a new life in Barcelona. I'm like, damn, that's something that I want to do. I've been telling Melissa, let's just move away to a whole new country and start over, but she keeps saying no. So, but if there's one thing about me, there's nothing that I can't manifest into my life. Mark this video as proof. I'm manifesting that Melissa and I, before we have children, move to a different country, maybe for like a year or two, and just live there, live in a new place, learn a new language, experience a new culture for maybe a year and a half, 2 years, and then come back here and have babies. So the gang's all here. Want to say hi, Shane?
Hello.
Hi. What are we gonna do today?
Go see Elemental.
Why do you sound like that?
Right. Friday? Yeah. Where is your sunglasses? we hung out last week Friday, and we were saying that we should all go and see Elemental, and Shay was like, yeah, he wants to see it too. So that is the plan for today. They both just picked me up from work, so now we're heading to Fresh Meadow 7. That's our favorite theater.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go see Elemental.
Yeah, I like to move it. I like to move it.
Points to be achieved.
Wow.
But why not Harry Potter books or something?
Okay, are we set?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
What are we getting to eat?
I'm only saying what I eat.
What are you eating? Popcorn?
Yeah.
Nachos?
The kids meal.
There's kids meal?
Yeah, the kids meal.
Just get your kids done first. Stop, Shane. Come close, please. Stop walking away.
I have no idea. Frederick's in residence.
Hey, you guys. It's about 10 o'clock now, 10 p.m. So we're at home. Tomorrow's 4th of July, so you're gonna be hearing a lot of fireworks. Something happened today at work, and you know, it really taught me a lesson. Let me quickly end this rant before, you know, we're rudely interrupted again. We are in control of our own actions and the words we use towards people, however we may feel and however justified it may seem at the time. And as much as I do acknowledge that my feelings are valid, at the end of the day, some things can be left unsaid. Some things, not everything requires a reaction, and that's something I've been learning. That's something Melissa has been trying to teach me. Knowing me, you know, she kind of tough up there. But no, I feel like everything can change. I can change. My actions can change. The person I am can change, and I want to change. So therefore, I have to start actively making the steps needed to change them. So I said all that to say, whenever I feel sad, I binge watch Lydia Elise Million here on YouTube. I just love her. But something told me to go back and watch some of her older videos, like videos from like 6-7 years ago. And I came across a video talking about how she bought her first handbag. And I know we're talking about changing our lives and to be better people. And here I am talking about a handbag. But no, it's habits are habits. And, you know, making the decision to do something or to make a change or to work towards something, it's the same principle. And I've been saying that I want a designer handbag and that I'm gonna save to buy my first designer handbag. However, to be honest, guys, I have not been saving. I've been spending like a mad woman, okay? To give me the money and I'm gonna spend it. But no, we made a goal. I promised myself that I'm gonna buy my first designer handbag. I also want to make that personal internal step as well. So I'm gonna put the two together, and I've decided that I'm gonna start working on becoming a more disciplined and less impulsive in my behaviors, in my words, in my actions. And I told myself that I'm going to, while I'm working on that, and start working on saving towards my first designer handbag. Now this is a cookie tin. Christmas cookies came in it, and it was empty, and I need something to just throw cash in and not worry about it. And I wrote on it my first designer handbag and the saving start date, which is today's date. And I feel like by writing it on it, whenever I feel the need to go and find some change, I have to read what is on it. And I did that to psychologically remind myself why I'm doing it, so I can stay disciplined and not rob myself of an opportunity. So yeah, today I made my first deposit. It's not a lot. We have a 20, we have a 5, and we have quite a few dollars in here. So that's around $50. I'm investing my first I'm depositing my first $50 in my first designer handbag saving tin. Look, you guys, finally she put up the table for us today. Who remember when I bought Ivy? Remember when we named her? And we named her Ivy. She's doing so well. My baby is flourishing, you guys. Honestly, this is a great sign. People with healthy growing plants in their homes, they are really striving in some area in their life, because to be able to do this, to be able to take care of something and give something of yourself to something else, it really does center you and, I don't know, make you a more whole person. Yeah, I can't wait to get to a point where I can give you guys a full apartment tour. When we moved in, we didn't have literally no furniture. So guys, you should understand, we were sleeping on blow-up beds. We had like big queen size blow-up beds, and we literally bought everything piece by piece, little by little, and I'm so proud of where we are now, and we're still growing and thriving. Good morning, you guys. It is a new day. It is Tuesday, July 4th. So happy 4th. And I'm running out to go pick up Melissa. That's what happens when you are a one-car family. So I don't mind though. It gives me a reason to get up and get my day started, especially the fact that today some plans have changed. So I'm not going to work this morning. I'm not going to work at all today. Miss Angia is having a cookout. When I say cookout, girl, I'm talking about is eatings. We're going to eat. Let's talk about the menu. The jerk pork, the jerk chicken. I think there will be oxtail and hot dogs, burgers, salads, all that jazz. I think Adria's making desserts. She said that she made treats and stuff for everybody. Girl, it's going to be a time and a half, but I came on here to show you guys my outfits real quick. I realized how strong the enemy is, so we have to show up stronger every day. We have to show up looking good every day. These pants are so cute. They are so flattering. I got them from Burlington. My top is from Zara. I believe my shoes is from Zara too. Let me see. Can't remember where I bought this. Madden. No, my shoes are Steve Madden's. My bag is Zara. And she's a vibe. Body and face by me. Anyways, let's go. Let me turn off these lights because Melissa's gonna yell at me if we come home. If she comes home and she see me. Guys, I don't know what is wrong with me now. Sometimes I just be forgetting to turn off lights in this house. Not even in this house, in any place in general. I just be going into a room and leaving like, you know, nothing happened. I forgot to moisturize, so I'm gonna have to use some petroleum jelly, which is fine for my skin. But I really should moisturize and put on sunscreen before I leave the house. And now that I'm applying oil to my face, I'm gonna need to avoid the sun as much as possible because this is just gonna fry my skin, but it feels so dry. And I hate when my skin feels this dry. Do I not have a lip gloss in here? Okay, yeah, I found it. It's like, what? It's not the most flattering angle. I'm gonna have to get a car mount, you guys. We're gonna have to get a car mount because I have it on this kind of like handheld tripod thing and it's not very useful up here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Yeah, this is not it's not gonna work. See guys, got Melissa here, baby. Yo. My face looks so greasy.
Comes the star of the show.
You're funny. You are hilarious.
That's nice.
Real niceness.
Why did you bring a dead battery out here?
No! Battery's dying?
Yeah.
Oh no, you guys. Let's just get a fit real quick. She's cute.
Thank you. Say bye now.
Bye now.
You won't find us anywhere.
Try Thomasy, man. It's cute as shit. I don't know what you're talking about. I love it. It's not your style for sure, but I would still wear it depending on the. You see yourself, dog that turn on bites you. This is just right around here, people. So, bartender Cool Skull and her assistant setting up. Bruh.
Oh, Melcy, want me to wash and chop these? What's that?
Like thin and long. Yeah. Relax.
Where's the cutting board?
Relax, I can't take it. Oh, these are so good. Who took these photos? I did.
Yeah, you're right. Yep, that's true.
And then these were, the professional did these, Melissa. Look. These are so nice, guys.
Huh? You're a ginger or something. I'll be fair and let them, because I could just call.
Like, I like the.
I'm not doing it, but I'm gonna.
Oh, everybody's has a little task going on. Melissa's at the cocktail station. Adria is prepping. Adria is prepping the garnishes for the cocktails. Mommy's still working on the grill. And taste. I'm the official taster. I'm gonna be the first taster in Melissa's bar.
black wig. Somebody just got that one yesterday. We can't.
Oh, I love your leggings too. It's like ear color turn.
It's like a brownish.
Oh my god. All right, guys. Cheers to family.
Cheers, everybody.
Wigs.
I want something like that.
Here.
Hey, Tyler. Say hi.
Hello. Shout out to the wonderful couple who's gonna be coming together.
Yeah.
2 weeks.
Jiggle light, jiggle light, jiggle light, jiggle.
It's red.
Jiggle light.
You like it, just like her on your chicken.
Barbecue sauce.
Put the lime in there. Put the lime. Okay, you put it in your. You make the pudding on the top overnight.
And it's just fiber.
Mustard. What seed? Overnight.
Cheesy. You dummy.
Okay.
Yo, Rashawn.
It was fun. The good body girl them mash them up. Yeah, the good body girl them represent today. You don't know. The guys are going home sore losers.
Just asking for cheating.
Listen, haters are haters, okay? When you're losing, you get offensive. They're sore losers. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll see you guys in the morning. My body's about to die. Say bye, Adri. Adri's about to leave. So it's playing.
Tyler.
Oh, Tyler. So it's Tyler. All right, guys. I'll see you in the morning. We are done with laundry. We tidied the bedroom as well as the closet. We did a lot of work today. Very happy. The place is tidy. It's neat. I can function. I feel more productive and creative when my spaces are clean. Everybody, it is a new day. It's kind of dark in here, so let me just open the windows. I don't want to get my Galaveza messy, and I am super clumsy. So having my aprons here is just so easy because I can just pop one on. latte with a shot of espresso and some, what type of creamer is that?
Caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato creamer. Oh yeah. I'm gonna spend the morning and have breakfast with Melissa. I have to head out shortly. My cousin is actually flying in. Paul is picking her up from the airport, but he doesn't know how she looks, so I'm gonna go with him to get her. Okay guys, I am dressed for the airport. I got this new scarf, and of course I'll have it linked in the description if you're interested in it. It is so cute and I love the colorway of it, and I think that's super cute. Is the scarf a bit much? Maybe, but then again I am a bit much, so. Okay you guys, let's go prep dinner. Okay guys, it's a little bit later, and what time is it now, baby? 5:40. Okay, so luckily I have majority of the food prepped and ready to go, so it shouldn't be hard to get dinner started and done so we can eat. Good morning. I know I look like I just woke up, but I haven't. I've just been working in bed all morning. If you are seeing this video, it means that my Guatemala travel guide is posted and is up. If you haven't seen it, please go and check it out. I'll have it linked up here in the cards and also linked in the description. It is now, I want to say 1:15, and I should be getting ready to head out. However, a delivery came and I figured I'd show you guys what came in the box. I'm gonna open a box every day. Amazon is my best friend. I got a couple packages, which means that I need to do an Amazon haul, an Amazon essential haul. Let me know in the comments if you want that in a separate video, if you want to show me if you want me to show you all my Amazon fashion finds, like a collective haul of just Amazon fashion finds and then an Amazon home finds, or you just want it in one video. A lot of videos to edit and post for you guys. I'm trying to work with this new schedule. But enough of the rant. Let me show you what I got. So I just opened this package from Amazon, and look what baby got me. Shout out to the best wife in the world. It's a robot vacuum cleaner. We're gonna open her up, and Melissa is gonna set it up if there's any setup that needs to be done. and then I'm gonna go get ready. So I also got some other things from Amazon. You guys know I shop on Amazon so much, and that's because when I find something that I like and it's really good quality, I like to get it in other colors. So I got some more trousers, but I got it in this kind of like beigey tan color. Let's see if it's gonna fit. Yeah. Yes. Oh. And I also got this. This is an unofficial. It's like first impressions on. Oh, so I got this core. Ooh. I might have to wear one of these today. Wish you guys could feel this. Dang. Okay. Yeah?
What you doing?
Just opening my stuff before I hop in the shower. Wait, I'm talking to my friends.
You're concerning sometimes.
What?
I'm in here chopping it up. Just to find you by yourself. If it wasn't for that camera there, I think you're a little nuts, dude.
No, I'm talking to my friends.
These folks right here?
Yeah. I'm showing them my new cord set that I got from Amazon. Feel this.
Your what?
It's a cord, a coordinated set.
Oh, nice. That's pretty
Feel that. Oh my goodness.
nice.
And it comes with...
you mean like a subset?
Yeah, coordinated set. And it comes
shorts.
with...
Very cute. Is it a skirt or shorts?
It's shorts.
That is cute.
I'm wearing one of these today. Should I wear the white one?
No, I think you should leave the white one for something special.
Something special, right? So we're wearing the blue one today, guys. I got it in the same size.
What's the other color? You have 3, right?
No, this is pants.
Oh, pants. Amazon?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't
this
it
is
too
the
big?
perfect. No, I wanted it oversized.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it'd be kind of loose.
Loose fitting for like really hot days.
Yeah. Want something cold to drink?
Yes, my baby. Nothing.
A drink? A little refresh?
A refresher is fine.
Chai tea refresher could be good. I'll make something special.
Make something special. You guys, look. Look. So cute. I love this color as well. I think I got them in an extra large. Let's see. Yeah. I am going to wear the blue one today so you guys can see what it actually looks like on. But I'll put it on. I'll put it on when I get out of the bathroom. So yeah. Anyways, it's saying that my memory card is about to be full. I do have a lot of things on this memory card I need to delete, so...
Is it getting close?
2 weeks away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a video. And until next time, love you, bye. Bye.